Hey guys, Mr. Apple here, and we are here for a smiggle snake puzzle tutorial of how to make a kangaroo. And so here we only have two puzzles. We have the smiggle python puzzle in this color because one day we went to the shops and that was the only one we saw. Right there. That was the only one we saw. And then another day we went there, we saw a black and dark blue one. But we couldn't swap around. But that's okay because now it has one of my favorite colors and my baby boy's favorite colors. So it's pink and purple. I mean, blue and purple, or blue and pink, or something. So we're going to make a kangaroo. Now I forgot because my mum made this. So wait. So I'm gonna try and teach you. So I think I'll start with the legs. So first, guys, you are going to get the this purple bit, and you are going to. Oh no! So you're going to start like this, and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and that one is going to go right. So you should be you yourself should be seeing that, but this is like like a reflection. So this is the white for me. So obviously, so then you are going to count 1, 2. Wait, I'm going to do it here. You're going to count 1. Wait, no, this. Oops. Okay. Just quickly redo what you've done, guys. It's supposed to be like that. Okay. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and this one's going to go up like that. Then this one, you're going to count 1, 2, and this one's going to go this way. Then you're going to flip this one up, so it creates a bit of a stair. Now you are going to turn this one. You're going to turn this one towards yourself. Then you're going to turn the next one down, but not straight down, towards yourself down. Then the next one, you're going to turn. So right now you should have something like that. So then you're going to do the same thing, so that you create one of its arms like that. So this is the back of the kangaroo. This bit, this side is the back of the kangaroo, and this side is the front. So then what you are going to do is you are going to just a second, guys. I recorded a video so that you can see it. Okay, so then the next one is going to go this way so that these two match. Then you're going to do the same thing you did on this side, but now you're going to do it on the other side. So I'm just quickly going to do that. Okay, I'm quickly going to pause this way. Okay, so now I have done the same on the other side, so you'll have to slowly do it. So now it should look like this. So now it sort of looks like a kangaroo. No, just a second. Now, just a second. Now you're gonna this purple one is going to go that way. So now you have a kangaroo, and look, it actually does stand. Coming, just wait. It actually does stand. So it does actually stand. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This was made by my mom, which is sitting in front of me right now. I thank her because this is probably original. So I have to go take a shower right now. So bye guys. Bye.